Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today we have a Honda Accord. We're going to change transmission fluid. This car has a CO transmission and the CVT transmission fluid. I'm going to give you all the information. I'm going to show you the process and what kind of fluid you have to use for this car. Stay with me guys, we're going to show you everything. Okay guys, this is 2013 Honda Accord. This one has a CO transmission. So this is the cap for the transmission. Is this one here? So it's a CO transmission. Takes CVT, and we gotta use CVT fluid. We gotta need 4 quarts. And what kind of tools we're gonna need? We're gonna need only our ratchets. We'll show you how to drain the fluid. Stay with me guys, I'll show you everything. Okay guys, we are in need of the car. If you have a jack, you can jack the car. And the place for the transmission is this one here. This is the plug you have to drain the fluid. So just get the ratchet here. Like that, and open it. Okay, you open it like that. And you open it and you can see it flows really bad. And this is the plug. There's a lot of metal shape in the system. So make sure you clean the plug before you put it back. Really easy job. And guys, please, if you like this video, just please a like to the video, like that other people can see the video. And we need a lot of support to the channel. Okay guys, so I just cleaned the plug magnet, that one. So make sure you clean it good with from metal shave. And we have to do this, what I like to do, like put my plug there and make it circulate inside the transmission. If you have any mini shave and around with it, you clean it before you put it back. So we're done, and put your plug back. Okay, tight good. Clean the surface. We'll go on the top, add in fluid. Okay guys, so we need a funnel like this one. So we're gonna add in fluid to the cap place. So we add the funnel like that, push it, and we're gonna start add fluid. We have today using this fluid from the dealer. This was required for this car. So I have to add in 4 quarts. Always use the dealer fluid, never use aftermarkets. Especially if you have a low mileage, like that you keep your transmission in warranty. Okay guys, the last bottle. Okay, after we're done, just make sure you clean the plug, the cap, before you're gonna take it and put it back. There you go. Put it in place, safe and secure. That's it. And now we go to starting the car. Okay guys, we're done with the transmission, so pretty much what we have to do is just put the car and start it and shift the transmission at each gear, and you have to wait 10 seconds. And please guys, if you like this video, please like the channel, like that we can give us more support, and like that more people can see the video, and in the future we can show you more tricks on the cars, more transmission. Okay guys, and have a good one. It's really hot here in Florida. We'll do what we have to do. Thank you guys, and we'll see you to another video. Bye.